Porta-King modular in-plant offices offer an easy way to quickly create a new, clean, and comfortable workspace inside your facility. Your material will be shipped in a crate with a clearly marked packing list attached to the outside. Inside the crate, you will find detailed installation instructions that include an illustrated parts list, floor plan layout, and a step-by-step assembly guide. When needed, a cardboard tube will be shipped with your crate to accommodate longer components. Your order includes all building material, connecting hardware, and electrical devices to create a complete office structure. The installation process starts with prepping the wall posts and corner assemblies. Each post is pre-drilled to facilitate easy installation of the self-tapping fasteners included with your order. Prepping each post is not necessary, but is recommended to speed the installation process. With a level and solid floor surface, you're ready to begin the installation. Follow the installation instructions, which detail how to establish a chalk line layout that will serve as the guide for installation of the base channel. Due to variations in floors of existing structures, we do not include fasteners for attachment of base channel. Same is true for wall starts and roof support angles used in 2- and 3-wall designs. Pre-finished insulated wall panels are progressively installed in the base channel, starting in a corner to ensure stability and tightening fasteners as installation progresses. Solid wall panels, window panels, and doors are all held in place with the 3-piece connecting post you prepped earlier. The wall posts also serve as the chase to run electrical wiring for outlets and light switches. Ceiling cap is installed on top of wall panels for added stability and to create a level surface for installation of roof deck. Optional window panels include a lower sill panel, a window frame with glass installed, and a header panel. Door leaf is pre-installed in a frame with separate header panel. Door locks are installed separately as part of the assembly process. Metal roof deck is installed and secured to the top of the walls through the ceiling cap. Follow installation instructions to complete acoustical ceiling installation and enjoy your new Porta-King modular in-plant office.